How to add friends in Line app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add friends in Line app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First thing you will need to do is make sure that you've installed your Line app. And after you've installed it, make sure that you're logged into your account. After you do that, you will be on this page right here. Now to add friends on your Line app, tap on this person plus icon that's right beside the gear icon on the top right corner, and now you will be on the add friends section. Now after you're here, you will see different ways you can add your friends. You can easily add them using a QR code. Tap on the QR code to get a QR code which you can share with your friends. You can tap on invite to invite friends from your different other platforms. You can also tap on search, and after you tap on search, you can search for a friend using their ID, or you can search for them using their phone number. So it's really easy. All you need to do is know your friend's ID or phone number, and then you'll be able to add them. You can simply share your QR code as well, and that's really easy. You can auto add your friends that are in your contact as well. You'll need to give access to your contacts first. And yeah, that is basically how you can add friends in your Line app. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.